Hello friends, and welcome back. Today we are preparing natural hair masks that help stop hair loss and stimulate healthy growth. Each recipe is simple, effective, and made with ingredients you can easily find at home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss more powerful beauty secrets. First recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of cocoa butter. It deeply nourishes, moisturizes, and restores damaged hair. A few drops of vitamin E. They strengthen hair follicles and protect against breakage. Warm the cocoa butter until it softens, then mix with vitamin E. Benefit of the mask. This mask hydrates the scalp, prevents dryness, and reduces hair loss while making the hair softer and shinier. How to use: apply to your scalp and massage gently. Spread evenly along your hair. Leave it for 25 to 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and wash with a mild shampoo. Use once a week. Friends, write in the comments and tell me, from which city are you watching us? Second recipe. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. It soothes and hydrates the scalp. Half a tablespoon of castor oil. It stimulates growth and strengthens roots. A few drops of peppermint oil. It refreshes the scalp and boosts blood circulation. Benefit of the mask. This recipe activates dormant hair follicles, reduces dandruff, and supports new growth. How to use: apply to the scalp and massage gently for a few minutes. Cover with a shower cap. Leave for 20 to 25 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water and shampoo. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Third recipe. 1 tablespoon of yogurt. It provides proteins that strengthen the hair. 1 teaspoon of brewer's yeast, rich in B vitamins that support hair growth and density. Mix yogurt with brewer's yeast until well combined. Benefit of the mask. This mask reduces hair fall, strengthens weak strands, and promotes healthy growth. How to use: apply the mixture to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Wash with lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. Use once or twice a week. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty recipes. Fourth recipe. 1 tablespoon of corn flour. It absorbs excess oil and strengthens hair strands. 2 tablespoons of water used to form a smooth paste. Mix corn flour with water until you get a smooth paste. Benefit of the mask. This mask refreshes the scalp, reduces oiliness, and makes hair look thicker and more voluminous. How to use: apply to the scalp and gently massage in. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Wash thoroughly with warm water and shampoo. Repeat once a week. Fifth recipe. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Hydrates, soothes, and reduces scalp irritation. 1 tablespoon of burdock oil. It stimulates blood flow and prevents hair thinning. Mix aloe vera gel with burdock oil. Benefit of the mask. This mask strengthens the roots, prevents breakage, and supports new growth. How to use. Apply directly to the scalp and massage in. Spread the rest along your hair. Leave it for 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and shampoo. Use once per week. Sixth recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, rich in fatty acids and vitamins that nourish and restore the hair. A few drops of sage essential oil. They balance the scalp and reduce hair loss. Benefit of the mask. This recipe helps strengthen the roots, reduce thinning, and improve overall hair texture. How to use. Massage gently into the scalp and apply along your hair. Leave for 20 to 25 minutes. Wash with lukewarm water and shampoo. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your hair's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.